This tutorial is going to show you how to grab the free 7-day challenge funnel template and customize it for your site. So all you do is you go under My Sites and Funnels and you can do Create a Funnel, and you will see the plug and play marketing funnels as the default, and we have the free 7-day challenge set up. So this is an internal name that you can name it, and then you can save it, and then it will open up the page. There's a video of using the funnel builder if you'd like, and that would actually give you an overview as well of the different things you can do. So in order to make the funnel work within your website and be connected with the circle, you do need to move it in your website. Funnels can exist on their own if there's nothing else needed for them. So in this case, because you're going to be having the circle as well, you want to move. So here you go to, if you have one project, which is your Noomu account, that's a project. You probably don't want to move it to another project. You want to move it to a website in the existing project, and you will choose the website that it goes into. And once you've added it in there, it will adapt the styling, so the colors of your actual website, and that should probably be okay. The red color on this one is the main color, so your main color is probably fairly dark. It was done to match this color. Your global styling is always here, and your color palette is here. So your current website has a different palette, and that once you put it in the funnel in there, it will adapt those colors. You can change whatever you want on the page, right? So if this ends up being a color you don't want, you can always turn it to the one that you want, and then you'd continue on. So this funnel is basically comprised of the sign up page and the thank you page. So it's very simple, and we will keep it simple for you. It also allows you to keep stats of any orders and things like that, except for we are doing just a sign up. Your goal is for them to reach the congratulations page, which means they sign up for the free thing. So basically, I'll walk you through the two pages and how to update them so that you can start getting opt-ins and work them through the process. So we will go under pages again, and we'll go to the 7-day challenge page. And just like other pages, you could change the titles, you can change the URL, the SEO information, and stuff like that. But this has, to familiarize yourself, this sign up page has an image here that you can replace. You can replace this image with your own. You would just go to change background and upload the picture you wanted. You can also go through the image directory and search for stuff there. Then there is the form on this side, and there is a countdown timer. And I'm going to come back to all these. I just want to show you there's 3 smart reasons to join now. All this is customizable. The images can be changed. You can add testimonials. If you don't have any at this time, you can actually just hide these sections there. So nobody will see that, and you can bring it back when you're ready. There's information about signing up for the challenge and one more form. So now let's go back in a little bit more detail on how to update this. The headlines are fill in the blanks. This is designed for a free one, and that's why it has the opt-in forms. The paid challenge template is very similar. However, it has order forms and can connect to your store. So you can fill in the blanks here on the headlines. All the stuff to add in is in brackets, and you just would update it. If you want to collect any other information from them, you can add fields there. But really, all you need to do is edit the settings. This will notify you on a new submission. If you don't want that, then turn that off. And you can also, right now, it goes to the next funnel step. So it goes to a page. It can show a thank you message, but I think it's good when someone signs up for your challenge, you want to give them a little welcome and help them understand what's going on. And you can tag them so you know that information when they're in your contacts. Over here, it'll have the tags of what you wanted to add. Maybe you want to say it's the 7-day challenge, add a little tag into there. You can just type in your own tags. But what you also really want to do is connect them to email marketing. You want to select a list and you want to create a list. If you don't have a list available, you probably want a unique list because you want to be able to send automated emails to them. So you're going to put the list name and you're going to submit, and we will talk about email settings another time. So for now, you probably just want to take note of what the list was, what the tags were, so you have a record of that. Then you would want to update this countdown timer, and you just click on it. And when you go to edit, you can count down an amount of time to a date when your challenge starts. If you're doing everyone starts at the same time. So you just go here, you can change the date up here and the hour, minute, and seconds. It's on a 24-hour clock as well. When it's done, you can choose for it to go to a different page. Maybe if the challenge isn't going to be available after, then you might want it to go to a different page, or you might want a message to appear where the countdown timer was. Then you're going to do the next section, which is the 3 smart reasons to join us now. Obviously, update it to what suits you the best, but we try to make it something that would be suitable to fill in the blanks for all kinds of challenges. You can change the messages here. You can create your own images, or again, there is the image directory that has lots of photos that you could choose to change it. So we did hide this, but this is the place to have testimonials where you can definitely ask for feedback. Or if you see people leaving great feedback inside your challenge, ask them if you're allowed to publish it, and ask them if they could provide a photo. And then you can edit this image as always, the text, you add their name. And here's just more information about the challenge, talking about what to expect by the end of the 7 days. Ready to get started, put your name below. And the same thing, you'll need to change the settings here to make sure it's going to the list. It's automatically going to the next funnel step, but you want to add a list, and you also probably want to tag your contacts with whatever you'd like to tag them, just so you have an idea of where everybody's been and who they are. It will come in handy for your marketing in the future. And again, this countdown timer you'll need to change as well. So you may also want to add an FAQ, thinking about what your challenge is about. We didn't add it into the template because everyone's will be different. Because if it's like an evergreen challenge, it'll probably have different answers and things like that. But if you want help brainstorming an FAQ, we can certainly help you do that. So this page is ready to go. That's all you have to do to make it live, and you can tweak it and perfect it over time. Also, you can split test in our funnels, and I will just briefly show you where to do that. And if you feel you're ready for stuff like that, we do have other videos on funnels, but you would go in here. And when you go over here, you can actually set up an A/B split test. And then you can add a whole new page or duplicate the page. I would recommend duplicating the page because you probably want to only split test something small. And then you pick the winner, and then you keep going, like a headline or the call to action or something like that. Just a small little thing that you're testing. You don't want to put too many variations between pages because you won't know why or what element is actually making it convert more. So I will let you explore that if you want. You don't need to do that if that's enough for you. Let's just keep it simple and not worry about that at this time. That's there when you're ready. So now let's go back to pages, and we're going to edit the thank you page. So they will arrive. I'm going to discard my changes because I don't need to save them. Always save yours. This is the page. It's very simple. You can redirect them right into your challenge if you prefer, but I think it's always good to give them a special message that highlights what to expect, the things they would need to do now, and also perhaps promote a product. Step 3 actually has space for you to enter information about your product. You might want to also add your picture and all that stuff here, make it more personal. But it tells them to say hello and explore the challenge headquarters, and you would just link into there and say hi, get familiar how the challenge works. If you are giving them extra stuff, maybe you have some stuff for them to download so they feel like they got even extra greater value. You can do that within the challenge, but you create more excitement and instant satisfaction when they feel like they get a little bit of extra stuff. So that's it. All you have to do to get your sign up page ready and rolling. Let us know how we can help you.